You ready to roll?
Sure am.
Okay. Telemark, you have to buy a day pass, and it costs about $8. That's this year anyway. The proceeds of the day pass go towards the maintenance of the trails, snowshoe trails, and the cross-country ski trails here in the park.
And they also they keep the trails lit at night too, so we're contributing to all of that.
We're taking the trail known as Panorama Ridge. It's about 7 kilometers long, has a varying degree of uphill and downhill, and a beautiful vista on a nice day. So I don't think you're gonna see it today.
This is a great activity to do, especially right now while we're in this lockdown, to get out into the wilderness, to see this beautiful scenery and get this exercise.
Look at the size of this tree.
Holy,
That
here you get a good view.
is amazing. Big old growth Douglas fir.
That could be one of the biggest trees in the whole park. This side trail is a connector that cuts it slightly shorter.
That's a lot of snow. No, it seems like look at this. Wow. Just makes you want to take it all in. Look at this. This beautiful white fluffy snow. We've hiked approximately 25 minutes and we finally get to why they call this Panorama Ridge Trail. That's why out here. We're about, what, halfway through the hike?
Yeah.
And there's nobody here. I think they've all went home.
We haven't seen one person on the trail today.
It's a ghost town.
It's kind of nice having the whole place to yourself, though.
It's unfortunate that we can't see the beautiful view from up here.
You can see a little bit of the mountain.
See behind us here, over there, you can kind of see a little bit of a mountain that's peeking out. But literally, you can look across and there's mountains from the other side here.
There is a family of moose that winter in the park every year, so we've spotted them a couple times before, but so far we haven't seen them today. Maybe we will. Give me the energy to get back to the parking lot.
What's up, you hikers? We're actually hearing birds.
Can't see them, but you can hear them. Or this way back to the parking lot is 3. I think that's good, hey, for today.
Yay! We made it! Yay! Our toques were getting full of snow, so we decided to put some little cover on them because it hasn't stopped snowing.
But we're gonna carry on to here and then make our way back to the chalet.
The Panorama Trail, say it's easy to moderate. There are some inclines here, so it's if not too strenuous, but if you're using poles, that's ideal. As a snowshoer, you never want to step on the groomed trails. These are meant for cross-country skiing, and they could have a serious accident if they have their ski caught in a snowshoe rut. So let's give them all the courtesy and do a leftover. Perfect technique. We're seeing a squirrel in a tree.
Where did he go?
It's so small you can... Still descending. They have lights for nighttime skiing here, and an oval. There's the main chalet, and the grooming hut for the grooming machines stay here, maintenance yard, and a nice little chalet on the hill. So we hope you enjoyed the snowshoeing adventure today. It was just a beautiful day today. It made the hike that much more beautiful with the snow.
We really appreciate your feedback. So please remember to comment down below, like, and subscribe. Thanks, everybody.
Till next adventure, take care. Bye. You have fun today?
Sure did.
Oh, that's
Great.
good.
That's awesome.
Well, let's go have dinner. What's on the menu?
It's going to be takeout tonight.
Takeout, all right. And you thought I was going to forget you. You're coming with us.